Yes, we are at the final stretch of this French beaded echinacea project. If you made it this far with me, give yourself a pat on the back. The goal is to make this summer wildflowers arrangement. We are ready to assemble today. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Lee, designer here at the Bead Flora studio and author to the book Bead Flora, the revival of French beaded flowers. And if you are new here and would like to learn how to make bead and wire flowers, consider subscribing. It looks intimidating, but the goal of this channel is to help you shorten your learning curve while starting to make French beaded flowers. Check out the playlists and I will demystify everything for you. Now let's assemble this echinacea. Now before we start assembling, I want to talk a little bit about how I had the echinacea assembled for the arrangement. For the pattern as written in the book, I have 3 leaves attached to each stem. But for the arrangement, I had some with 2 leaves. I had some with 1, and I just had some with just individual leaves, just so that I can stick them wherever I like. So that is completely up to you if you want to do some with 3, some with 2, or some with none, just like this one, and then attach the leaves wherever you see fit. Now we are ready to assemble. So let's take the center and insert that into the hole of the petals. And twist slightly at the base here, not too much. Next, insert a stem wire into the center here so that it goes into the hollow shape of the center, and that just helps it keep its shape. Now wrap the wires in with floral tape. Now we're going to insert the stem into the calyxes. So first, insert the stem into calyx B, and then insert that into calyx A, now let's wrap this in with floral tape. And as we go down, we're going to add the leaves. Do a leaf A here. And another leaf. And then the last one. And now we're going to floss the stem with embroidery floss. And just wrap the floss around the stem, just leaving a little tail right here, and then just wrap around the whole stem. And you can push the leaf down to get it out of the way. And once you get to the first leaf, push it back up and then wrap around beneath the leaf. And that helps it just stay together, stay tighter on a lot more. Woohoo! You did it! 2 flowers down, and the next week we will start working on the daisy. Join the community of other French beaders in the Learn How to Make French Beaded Flowers Facebook group. If you make any of my flowers, I always love seeing them. Send me pictures and I may feature it in a future video. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye!